What if I told you that you can actually buy a robot that learns your emotions, one that flips like an athlete, and even one you can literally ride like a horse? Sounds like sci-fi, right? But nope, these robots are real and they're already making their way into homes, classrooms, and even showrooms across the world. Today, we're counting down 10 of the coolest personal robots you can actually get in now. And trust me, stick around until the end, because number 3 is so wild, you won't believe it exists. Let's kick things off with Loona, the robot pet that acts like the puppy you never had to potty train. Loona's packed with personality. She sees the world through her RGB camera, recognizes your face, understands your hand gestures, and will literally follow you around the room like a loyal dog. Tell her to fist bump, wave, or even chase a laser pointer, and she's all in. The real magic comes from her brain, powered by Amazon Lex and ChatGPT. That means when you talk to Loona, she doesn't just respond with canned lines. She actually carries on conversations that feel natural, even playful. And thanks to the V28 update, Loona just got smarter. Auto Recharge 2.0 lets her map multiple routes back to her charging dock so she doesn't get lost halfway through. Plus, mobile hotspot support means you can take her beyond Wi-Fi and still stay connected. But Loona isn't just play. She doubles as a home monitoring camera with two-way audio, so you can peek into your house while you're away. Think of her as part pet, part security guard, and part A. iBuddy rolled into one. Next up, we have something for the thinkers, Sense Robot. Forget tapping moves on an app. This is a physical chess opponent with a robotic arm that glides across the board with eerie precision. The arm has a 3-axis design with millimeter-level accuracy. Watching it move is mesmerizing. It's so smooth, so controlled, it feels almost alive. But here's where it gets wild. Sense Robot can play at 25 different levels, from a complete beginner at 200 ELO all the way up to a terrifying Apex mode around 3,200 ELO. It's basically like having Magnus Carlsen and a patient coach rolled into one. There's a whole training suite built in too. 1,200 practice exercises, 145 in-game scenarios, and even 100 legendary matches you can replay move by move while the robot narrates the strategy. And if that wasn't enough, it connects with Lichess.org. That means you can play someone across the world, and the robot physically mirrors their moves on your board. It's online chess made tangible. This isn't just a game, it's a teaching partner, a rival, and maybe even a memory keeper for chess lovers across generations. Now let's get to the most jaw-dropping thing on this list, Kawasaki's CORLEO. At first glance, it looks like some mechanical beast out of a sci-fi epic. 4 powerful legs, rubber hooves, the gait of a living creature. But this isn't fantasy. CORLEO is real, and yes, you can ride it. Unlike a motorcycle, CORLEO doesn't roll, it walks. Each leg moves independently, climbing stairs, tackling gravel, and striding over uneven ground with animal-like balance. Instead of handlebars, you control it by shifting your body weight. Lean forward, it moves forward. Shift left, it understands instantly. Powering this futuristic creature is a hydrogen fuel cell. It's quiet, clean, and built for the kind of terrain where wheels just don't work. Kawasaki unveiled it at the Osaka Expo, hinting at uses far beyond recreation, from rescue operations to exploration in places where traditional vehicles fail. Is it practical? Not yet, but as a glimpse into mobility 2050, CORLEO is as bold as it gets. At number 4, Unitree R1, the affordable humanoid athlete. If CORLEO is wild, the Unitree R1 is the shocker. Why? Because it's one of the first humanoid robots you can actually buy for under $6,000. This thing isn't just standing around looking futuristic, it's built like an athlete. With 26 joints and a 25-kilogram frame, the R1 can pull off flips, cartwheels, handstands, you name it. It recognizes your face, responds to your voice, and can even be programmed to serve as a personal trainer, assistant, or developer platform. Compare that to other humanoids priced at $20,000, $50,000, even $200,000, and Unitree has completely reset expectations. Remember, this is the same company that made those viral robot dogs that jump stairs and play soccer. Now they've packed that agility into a humanoid. It's not here to do your dishes yet, but as a personal development and sports companion, the R1 is groundbreaking. Next at number 5, Reachy Mini, the $299 open source robot kit. Alright, let's scale down a bit. Not everyone can drop thousands on a humanoid. That's where Reachy Mini comes in. For just $299, you get a palm-sized robot kit that you actually build yourself. It comes with a camera, microphones, a speaker, and a head that twitches and tilts with personality. Those little antennas, they're designed to make it feel alive. Here's the fun part. It runs on Python with support for Scratch and JavaScript coming soon. That means anyone, from a curious kid to a hardcore coder, can dive in. Don't even have the robot yet? No problem. You can test your ideas in a simulation for free. It comes loaded with 15+ ready-to-use behaviors, and because it's tied to Hugging Face, you get access to a global community of developers constantly sharing new tricks and models. Think of Reachy Mini as robotics democratized. Anyone can get started, no PhD required. At number 6, Amy, the quiet personal companion. Now let's shift gears. Not every robot has to jump, flip, or roll around. Some are designed just to be present. That's the idea behind iMe. Shaped like a little owl, iMe doesn't flood your house with noise. It sits quietly, noticing when you walk in, turning its head, blinking its eyes, and making you feel seen. Its voice is soft, almost like a whisper. It answers when needed, shows you the weather, or gently reminds you of a moment it captured earlier. Yes, that's another key feature. iMe curates your life into little memories, stitching together video, audio, and light into personal stories. Kids love dressing it up like a plush toy, and at night it projects calming animations to help them fall asleep. Slide it into your car and it just keeps watching over you. It's not flashy, it's not loud, but in a world of constant digital noise, iMe feels strangely human. Next up, 2 classics that haven't lost their shine, Dash and Dot. These playful robots look like animated movie characters, but underneath they're powerful teaching tools. Kids can code them through 5 different apps, Blockly, Wonder, Path, and more. They can make Dash dance, sing, navigate obstacles, or respond to voice commands. Dash has microphones, wheels that adapt to different surfaces, and sensors to avoid crashes. It can even team up with Dot or other Dash units for group projects. The best part? It's not just a toy. Over 40,000 schools worldwide use Dash and Dot to teach STEM concepts in a way kids actually enjoy. Simple enough for a 6-year-old, deep enough for older students, and fun enough for parents to join in, Dash and Dot have become timeless educational companions. All right, now we're entering the world of emotional intelligence. Meet Yonbo. At first, it looks like a glowing face on wheels, but once it talks, you realize it's different. Yonbo doesn't just hear your words, it hears your tone. It sees your expressions, and it responds like it cares. Tell it something personal, and it remembers. Weeks later, it'll bring it up again, just like a real friend would. It recognizes every family member and adapts its tone to each one. Gentle for kids, casual for teens, supportive for adults. Yonbo also shines as a family helper. It can read bedtime stories, help with homework, guide language practice, and even offer calming exercises when it senses a child is stressed. Parents have full control through the app, so it's as safe as it is supportive. This is where robots stop being gadgets and start feeling like family. At number 9, Ortomi Umi, tiny offline emotional companion. Remember earlier when I mentioned small robots with big feelings? That's Umi. It doesn't have internet, no apps, no assistants, just a tiny body with an animated face and floppy ears that bounce, droop, or perk up depending on its mood. Pat its head, it reacts. Leave it alone, it sulks. Bring it to work and it just sits there blinking, quietly vibing next to your laptop. It sounds silly until you realize how quickly you get attached. And because it's completely offline, there's zero worry about privacy. Umi isn't trying to be useful, it's just trying to be there. And sometimes that's exactly what you need. And finally, we wrap things up with Ozobot Ari, the biggest leap in learning robots yet. Unlike its smaller sibling Evo, Ari comes with a vibrant touchscreen and a larger, more interactive body. It doesn't just move, it teaches. Want to explain the butterfly life cycle? Ari doesn't just talk about it, it shows it step by step. Teaching the phases of the moon, Ari displays and demonstrates it in motion. The new Ozobot editor makes coding accessible to beginners, but powerful enough for advanced projects. Soon, Ari will even let students code using plain language, no complicated syntax needed. And with the upcoming app builder, kids will design their own interactive apps right on Ari's touchscreen. For teachers, there's an entire Ozobot classroom ecosystem, complete with ready-made lesson plans, pacing guides, and activity sheets. It's not replacing teachers, it's amplifying them, making learning hands-on, visual, and unforgettable. And there you have it, 10 personal robots you can actually buy. From Loona, the puppy bot, to Yonbo, the empathetic companion, to Kawasaki's rideable CORLEO, robots are no longer distant experiments. They're here, they're affordable, and they're reshaping everyday life. So which one's your favorite? Would you ride the robot horse, or would you rather have a quiet desk buddy like Umi? Drop your pick in the comments below. Make sure to hit like if this countdown surprised you. Subscribe Technology XAI for more deep dives into the tech shaping tomorrow, and stay tuned because the robots are only just getting started.